Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a sandal sole for 1 year baby. I'm using 3-ply cotton yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. And now make your base chain. I'm going to make 17 base chain for my project. So after completing 17 base chain, make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the 4th chain from the hook. Pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops. This is our second double crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern and go into the same chain and make a third double crochet stitch. Now go into the second chain and make 1 double crochet stitch here. Go into the third chain and make 1 double crochet stitch here. Go into the next chain and make 1 double crochet stitch. Now repeat the same pattern till the second last stitch. So now go into this last chain here and make 6 double crochet stitches. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5 and double crochet 6. After completing 6 double crochet stitches, now go into the second side of chain. In the second chain, make 1 double crochet stitch. Go into the next and make 1 double crochet stitch. Take the starting yarn tail between the stitches. As you can see, go into the next and make third double crochet stitch. Now complete this till second last chain. So after completing this, now go into this last chain and make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. So we have 6 double crochet stitches for this side as well. Now make a slip stitch at the top of chain 3 and again make chain 3, which is our first double crochet stitch. Now go into the same stitch and make a second double crochet stitch increase. Now go into the next stitch and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. Now go into the third stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches here. So we are having total of 6 double crochet stitches. Now make 1 double crochet stitch into every stitch. So after making 1 double crochet stitch into every stitch, this is our last stitch. Make 1 double crochet here as well. Now into these next 6 double crochet stitches, we are going to make 2 double crochet stitch increase into every stitch. So start from here, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 in the same stitch. Go into the next one and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Repeat this for next 4 stitches as well. So we are having total of 12 double crochet stitches here. Now make 1 double crochet stitch into every stitch for this side as well until we reach last 3 stitches. So after completing it, go into this last 3 stitches and make 2 double crochet stitch increase into every stitch. So we will have 6 double crochet stitches here, and we have started with 6 double crochet stitch increase, so total of 12 for this side as well. Now make a slip stitch, make chain 3, which is our first double crochet stitch. Go into the same stitch and make a 1 double crochet stitch increase. After making 2 double crochet stitches, go into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Now go into the next and make 2 double crochet stitch increase. So this is the pattern. After making 2 double crochet stitch increase, go into the next and make 1 double crochet stitch. Now again 2 double crochet stitch increase, and then into the next 1 double crochet stitch. So we are having total of 9 double crochet stitches here. After making these 9, now for this side make 1 double crochet stitch into each stitch until we reach the increasing part. So now go into this increasing part, first double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase into the next, make 1 double crochet stitch into the next, again 2 double crochet stitch increase into the next, 1 double crochet stitch, and complete total of 18 double crochet stitches by repeating the same pattern. After completing 18 double crochet stitches, make 1 double crochet stitch into every stitch till the last 6 stitches. So now in these last 6 stitches, repeat the same pattern of 2 double crochet stitch increase and 1 double crochet stitch. So we will have 9 double crochet stitches here and 9 in the start, total of 18. After completing it, pull the extra yarn, cut it off and weave this extra yarn with the help of needle. So now go into these 2 loops of chain 3 from the back side to front side, and then go into the back loop and back ridge of last double crochet stitch like this to make a chain loop here. Now going to the back side and make a knot. To secure your work, after making a knot, now weave this extra yarn to some backside stitches. After weaving this, cut the extra yarn. Now this is the final shoes sandal sole for 1 year baby, and its measurement is almost 5.3 inches, which is perfect. I hope you guys like this. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.